Hi guys, hello. So today in our live we are going to discuss a very important topic about women health where we will talk about how COVID-19 is affecting pregnant women, early mothers and people who are trying or planning to get pregnant. So that's what we'll be talking about today. If you're here, show some love, say hi. I want to see who all have joined. We have a really great and amazing specialist joining in with us today to answer all the questions related to, whatever things are happening with you.
If you can thumbs up, if you can hear me, if you can see me, just thumbs up.
Some network problem, Khushali.
Hi, ma'am. I cannot see you. I think your video is just hi, ma'am. Now I can see you.
Hi, Khushali. There is some network issue. Your voice is not clear.
Just 1 second, ma'am. I'll work on that.
Her.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you, but बीच-बीच में voice is breaking, Khushali.
Okay. All right. I'll just try to change my place a little so that I get a little closer to the network. Okay, let's just start and see if the voice breaks again. I can just turn my network connections.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you properly.
I'm having problem from your side. Your picture is not clear and there is some, like your voice is breaking.
Okay, let's see if it gets better with time. And the good thing is you have to talk a lot right now. So if even people cannot hear me well, that's completely fine too.
Fair enough.
Oh, okay, so hi, welcome Dr. Sheetal to this live, and thank you so much for agreeing to do a live with Kara for her. At Kara, we are currently working towards, making women health a very normalized topic and to talk to more women about various topics which they are uncomfortable in discussing it in public. So that's what we are doing at Kara. To all the viewers, I would just like to introduce all of you to Dr. Sheetal. So Dr. Sheetal Agrawal is from Delhi and she's a senior consultant OBGYN working with Apollo Spectra and Sama Hospital in Delhi. She has a 24 years of experience in her field and has a specialty in high risk pregnancy, infertility, laparoscopy, and hysteroscopy. So that's about Dr. Sheetal Agrawal. She is an amazing gynecologist. I had a small conversation with her and I really enjoyed the topics she was telling me about. So if you guys have any such questions, you can right now ask in that live and anytime go to her Instagram account and tell her if any problems you are facing. Her Instagram account is gynecologist_specialist. This is her account. So ma'am, here to you. Now I would really like to talk about that. काफी लोगों को doubts हैं, problems हैं इस कोरोना वायरस को लेकर.
Thank Kara team for inviting me to such an amazing platform. I'm really thankful to you, and I would hope that all of you like my brief talk and I'm able to impart some knowledge to everyone. My thanks to you a lot.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for being here with us. So before, jumping into the topic, there are a lot of problems and concerns about प्रेगनेंसी एंड कोरोना वायरस राइट नाउ. जो प्रेग्नेंट है विमेन, वो लोग भी काफी डरी हुई हैं. जो अर्ली मदर्स हैं, इवन माई भाभी इज वन ऑफ द अर्ली मदर्स. शी डिलीवर्ड अ beautiful girl child in month of March. So she is little worried. She does not go out of home at all. And जो लोग conceive करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं इस टाइम पे, वो लोग भी they are having second thoughts about it. So, ma'am, can you just start with telling what exactly this coronavirus is? ये क्या है सारी चीजें which is happening right now?
Coronavirus is a virus belonging to the corona family. इसकी पहले SARS virus थी, MERS थी, now corona has come. It is a relatively new virus. But one thing which I want to tell everyone is please don't be scared of it. Just don't be scared of it. It is like any virus. It is, एक viral fever जैसे हो जाता है. It is just like that. Except that in some cases it can take a very virulent turn. So you just don't be scared of it. It's a virus which in some cases when you have certain comorbidities like you are diabetic, you are hypertensive, you are obese, you are on immunosuppressive treatment like you are on dialysis or you are taking some chemotherapy for malignancy, this virus is very threatening in those cases. But if you are a healthy young person without any such comorbidities, there is a very big likelihood that you will not have such a virulent course in such people. Okay. So people who are healthy, people who have good immunity, please panic मत करें, नहीं डरें. If even you get coronavirus, there are high chances that you will recover from it. The medical treatment is good. 72% है. We people are inherent. We have immunity to this virus. So this is something very good. I want to tell my viewers. Please don't be scared. Don't be anxious of it.
Right. So, ma'am, क्या symptoms क्या रहते हैं when somebody is COVID-19 positive? What are the symptoms?
Symptoms are just like any viral fever. Sore throat होता है, cough होता है, malaise होता है, fatigue होता है, low grade fever होता है. इसमें like we are seeing some new symptoms like there is loss of appetite or loss of smell. Like I remember one of my managers in Apollo Hospital, he came to me कि मैम मैं तेल लगाता हूँ, मुझे तेल की smell नहीं आती. I said, oh, you could be COVID positive. Please get your test done. So you may not have any symptom when you just have loss of smell or loss of taste. Then there can be GI symptoms like fever nahi hai and you just have nausea and diarrhea. So it can present with fever symptoms like any viral fever, or it can present with GI symptoms like nausea, diarrhea, vomiting, or it can present with just loss of appetite and loss of smell. In some cases, it can have, high grade fever. So fever more than 101 in very rare cases. So how do we manage it? Suppose we should ask the patient to monitor their oxygen saturation levels. The Delhi government is distributing pulse oximeters. It is a very good thing. We just tell them to put them on your finger and see your oxygen saturation. Now this oxygen saturation should be 97, 98, 99. Anything less than 95, 94, it is a cause of concern. Immediately contact a doctor because it is a happy hypoxia. This virus, हमें पता भी नहीं चलता और we are going into hypoxia. So in our terminology, we call it happy hypoxia. We don't know we have hypoxia, we come to know only with pulse oximeter. So once your saturation falls down, आपको कोई symptom नहीं है, don't take it lightly. Immediately go to a doctor, get your COVID test done and see whether you are suffering from it or not.
Okay, got it. So these symptoms are very similar to viral symptoms. And this is the reason, ma'am, कि अभी किसी को सर्दी भी हो रही है ना, तो they are very afraid of it कि कहीं मुझे कोरोना तो नहीं हो गया.
Lots of tests, बहुत सारे टेस्ट इसीलिए हो रहे हैं कि people are scared. जरा सा cold and cough होता है and they think हमें COVID हो गया. In fact, one thing I want to share, लोग इतना काढ़ा पी रहे हैं that in our ENT OPD they are coming with ulcers in the throat. So through your channel I want to tell them, please इतना काढ़ा मत पियो, इतना गरम काढ़ा पियोगे. So many people are presenting in our ENT OPD in the hospital with ulcers, in the throat from drinking so much काढ़ा. So just relax, take it lightly. इतना stress लेने की जरूरत नहीं है.
So I know, ma'am, मतलब मैंने भी बहुत लोगों को सुना हुआ दिन में 2-2, 3-3 बार गरम काढ़े पी रहे हैं, लौंग, तुलसी और क्या डाल के.
Once a day.
And guys, please, if you are doing it, stop doing that. वो आपको throat में अल्सर देगा.
40 ml once a day. और इतना गरम भी नहीं कि आपका अंदर ही जल जाए सारा.
राइट राइट राइट। तो मैम ये कोरोना वायरस ट्रांसफर कैसे हो रहा है, लाइक हाउ इट इज ट्रांसफरिंग फ्रॉम वन
इसके
पर्सन टू
तो
अदर?
इतनी सारे मतलब so much knowledge is there in the media, in the news, and people talking. Basically, it transmits through our, when we are talking, when we are sneezing, when we are coughing. So the droplets which are released from our mouth, they carry viral particles. And if a person is sitting very close to you, less than 6 feet distance, there is a chance that these droplets can enter you through via your mouth or nose or eyes. That is why they said keep social distancing of 6 feet. Second method of transfer is these droplets, they get settle on the surrounding furniture, surrounding subjects, and if you
Perfect.
touch it and you touch those surface areas where their droplet spread is there, and then you touch your mouth, there's a chance that you can get yourself infected. So here comes that you wash your hands frequently, 20 minutes, good soap and water, and clean it. So even if you have come in touch with a contaminated surface, you don't transfer it. So 2 things to safeguard yourself: social distancing, cleaning your hands, wearing a mask. I think if you do these 3 precautions, your chances of getting infected is very low.
Okay, so वही तो there's a lot of media talking about it, social media talking about it. मास्क पहनो, सैनिटाइज करो अपने हाथ, हाथ
So
धोते
इसलिए
रहो,
मैंने इसको बहुत simplify कर
and
दिया.
this
I've
will
really
save you.
simplified it.
Yeah, right. So ma'am, like as there's a lot of scared women कि मैं प्रेग्नेंट हूँ, क्या मेरे चांसेस ज्यादा हैं, या मेरा बच्चा अभी अभी हुआ है, या मैं प्रेग्नेंट होने का प्लान कर रही हूँ, तो इज इट समथिंग देयर कि प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन शुड बी अफ्रेड अबाउट?
Definitely. Khushali, here I will agree. See, pregnancy में हमारी immunity is compromised. Immunity of the woman is compromised in pregnancy. Those infections or those viral infections which your body is able to fight when you are non-pregnant, your defense mechanism goes down during pregnancy. Your body is not able to fight. So all the more reason, if you are pregnant, you really have to take precautions. You avoid going out unless and until it is absolutely necessary. Even if you have to go, please wear 3-ply mask. And it should be such that it should cover your nose, sides, and tail chin. Especially for the pregnant woman. In fact, for all of us, but for pregnant women, it is very essential कि वो 3-ply mask डाले, अच्छे से यहाँ से cover करे, goggles या चश्मा डाले, and then she should go out. Frequently hands clean करे अपना. For a pregnant woman, she has to take all the precautions. बाहर का खाना नहीं खाना, जहां तक हो सके she should avoid, because we don't know who has made, who has served, what are the plates in which you are eating. So as far as possible, have home cooked food. Avoid going out. Avoid taking food from the outside food, and have those foods and fruits which boost your immunity, because a pregnancy is already an immunocompromised state. So you should take those fruits which boost your immunity. अब वो क्या है? आपके सिट्रस फ्रूट्स हो गए, जैसे ऑरेंज हो गया. सुबह सुबह मैं अपने पेशेंट्स को बोलती हूँ गर्म पानी में एक नींबू का रस निचोड़ के लो, which is very good. आपका सिस्टम भी क्लीन हो जाता है, and it gives you immunity also. Mangoes, these days mangoes are there. Mangoes also boost the immunity. Mangoes have a very good source of magnesium. तो ये आपके क्रैम्प्स भी खत्म करते हैं, आपकी immunity भी boost करते हैं. And if you are a non-vegetarian, हम तो बहुत खुश होते हैं. आप non-veg खाते हो तो आप अंडा लो, 2-3 अंडे लो. Take white meat like fish हो गया, chicken हो गया.
Yeah.
All these things, they boost your immunity. Dairy products हो गए, they boost your immunity. So for a pregnant woman, it is very important that she should take these precautions. Strictly, she should follow the precautions of social distancing, wearing face mask, sanitization, hand cleaning. बाहर से आए एकदम से she should take a bath, change her clothes completely, avoid outside food, whatever she wants to eat घर का बना खाए, and she should take all these foods and fruits which improve her immunity, including nuts like almonds. She should really include all that in her diet.
Okay. So this is amazing, ma'am. मतलब you literally told us everything which one person should eat, so that pregnancy के time भी there are less chances, and you don't get affected to coronavirus a lot. Thank you so much. This is very very helpful. So guys, as you listened, नींबू लो, आम खाओ, बाहर का खाना मत खाओ, बाहर कम जाओ, देन नट्स खाओ बहुत सारे, हैव हेल्दी फूड, नॉनवेज खाते हो तो व्हाइट मीट
अंडे लो,
खाओ,
दूध लो,
एग
yes.
खाओ. सो
And you know, this
सो
pregnancy में क्या होता है कि this corona, if suppose you are positive, corona positive, or it adversely affects the outcome of the pregnancy. By that I mean there is a chance of a preterm labor if you are a COVID positive. So all the more reason you have to take care of yourself. अगर आपकी contractions शुरू होती हैं, suppose हल्की हल्की pains शुरू हो रही है, या आपका water bag leak हो गया है, immediately your OB-GYN मतलब आपके गायनी का नंबर, आपके नंबर फोन पे टॉप मोस्ट होना चाहिए. You immediately contact her. आपको अपना मूवमेंट्स का रिकॉर्ड रखना है कि आपके बेबी की मूवमेंट्स तो ठीक हो रही हैं. एंड हाउ डू यू डू दैट? नॉर्मली वी टेल कि इन अ डे इन 24 आवर्स 12 टू 14 मूवमेंट्स होनी चाहिए. एंड हाउ डू यू मॉनिटर? खाना खाने के बाद लेफ्ट साइड करवट करके लेटो और 1 घंटे में 2 या 3 मूवमेंट होनी चाहिए. सो स्पेशली फॉर इन दिस सिनेरियो यू हैव टू बिकम मोर ऑफ योर ओन डॉक्टर, क्योंकि आप बाहर तो जा नहीं सकते हो अपने आप को फ्रीक्वेंटली चेक कराने. तो आपको अपने ध्यान खुद रखना है, अपना डॉक्टर खुद बनना है टू सम एक्सटेंट. अपनी डाइट का ध्यान रखना है, अपनी बच्चे की मूवमेंट्स का ध्यान रखना है. अगर आपके पैरों में स्वेलिंग आ गई, अपना बीपी चेक कराइए. देन गेट योर डॉक्टर, आस्क योर डॉक्टर. जो जैसे जैसे इट इज बेटर टू गो फॉर वीडियो कॉलिंग विद योर डॉक्टर, और जैसा जैसा वो आपको एडवाइस करता है वो करिए. You are responsible for your health basically. आपको अपना ध्यान खुद रखना है, irrespective of the fact कि आपके हस्बैंड है, मदर इन लॉज हैं, सब है. बट अगर आप जितना अपने आप को एजुकेट करेंगे, जितना आप अवेयर होंगी, उतना ही योर प्रेगनेंसी विल बी अ गुड प्रेगनेंसी.
डेफिनेटली डेफिनेटली. सो एज यू लिसनड, आप अपनी खुद के लिए खुद रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं, खुद का ध्यान रखिए, अच्छा खाना खाइए मैम. और जैसे वॉकिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी, बट अभी ज्यादा लोग बाहर नहीं निकल पा रहे हैं, सो एक्सरसाइजिंग और वॉकिंग रुक गई है. सो उसके लिए किसी प्रेग्नेंट
उसके
वुमन
लिए
को क्या
मैं अपने
करना चाहिए?
पेशेंट्स को बोलती हूँ कि आप दिन में 3 बार 15-15 मिनट का टाइम निकालो, सुबह, दोपहर और रात को. और अपने घर में घड़ी देख के 15 मिनट आप वॉक कीजिए. 15 मिनट्स मॉर्निंग, 15 मिनट्स आफ्टरनून, 15 मिनट्स एट नाइट. और सिंस आप बहुत सारे लोग हैं, बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं, कंप्यूटर के आगे बैठे रहते हैं, हर 1 घंटे में उठो, 1-2 मिनट का चक्कर लगाओ एंड देन अगेन कम एंड सिट. इससे आपकी टांगों में स्वेलिंग भी नहीं होगी एंड ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बढ़ेगा. बॉडी का ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बढ़ेगा तो जाहिर सी बात है बच्चे को भी अच्छा ब्लड सर्कुलेशन मिलेगा. तो मैं जो मंत्र अपने पेशेंट्स को बताती हूँ, 15 मिनट्स 3 टाइम्स अ डे, एवरी आवर गेट अप फ्रॉम द कंप्यूटर, मूव अराउंड फॉर 1 or 2 minutes, every 2 hours eat something. अगर आप ये 3 चीजें फॉलो करते हो, एवरी 2 hours, जैसे एक बनाना ले लिया या एक ऑरेंज ले लिया या थोड़े से आलमंड्स ले लिए, एवरी 2 hours eat something, एवरी आवर मूव अराउंड 1 या 2 मिनट, और 15-15 मिनट सुबह दोपहर शाम वॉक करो. आई थिंक दैट इज गुड इनफ एक्सरसाइज फॉर यू. Plus, do your pranayams, do your om vilom, do deep breathing exercises, do om vilom. ये सब करो तो आपको, I don't think so you should have any problem. Pelvic floor exercises करो. अगर आप you are very keen on normal delivery, do. And what is pelvic floor exercises? Very important. Kegel exercises होती हैं. जैसे आपको यूरिन आ रहा है, आप कहीं ऐसी जगह पे हो, आप नहीं कर सकते, आप नीचे से अपनी मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करते हो कि यूरिन रुक जाए, उस तरह से contraction relaxation of the pelvic muscles. Do it at least 20-25 times morning, 20-25 times in the evening. This will help you in the normal delivery and this will aid also, तुम्हारे नीचे से सर्कुलेशन भी बढ़ाएगा.
राइट राइट. सो इट वाज सो मेनी थिंग्स जो आप खुद बहुत इजीली अपने घर पे कर सकते हो. खाना जो आपको इजीली घर पे मिल सकता है, एक्सरसाइजेस जो आप घर पे कर सकते हो, सारी वो चीजें हैं जो इजीली घर पे हो सकती हैं, जिसे बिना पैनिक करे किया जा सकता है. सो मैम, ये तो केस रहा कि कोई कोरोना वायरस पॉजिटिव ना हो, इसीलिए क्या प्रिकॉशंस लेने चाहिए. लेट्स से टेक एन एग्जांपल, सम प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन गेट्स कोविड पॉजिटिव. So, what are the things which happen during that? Is it risky for the child? What happens at that particular moment?
So far, it is a relatively new disease. Only 5-6 months हमें इसके बारे में पता है. अभी तक सिर्फ 2 स्टडीज हुई हैं, बाकी स्टडीज हुई हैं. जो 2 स्टडीज पब्लिश हुई हैं, एक तो हार्वर्ड स्कूल से पब्लिश हुई है जिसमें 38 वुमेन्स ली थी who were कोविड पॉजिटिव एंड who delivered, उनके बच्चों को कोविड नहीं था. सेकेंड स्टडी हमारी वुहान चाइना से आई है जिसमें से 33 कोविड पॉजिटिव लेडीज डिलीवर्ड. उनके 3 बच्चे पॉजिटिव आए, बट देन देयर इज अ कैच इन दैट कि दे टेस्टेड द बेबीज फॉर कोविड पॉजिटिविटी after many days of birth. So we don't know कि जो बच्चा पैदा हुआ था वो माँ से infection लेके आया है कि बाहर आके लिया है. So ऐसे में we still don't know whether the baby catches infection from the mother or not. We are still into the process of studying more patients. But if you are COVID positive and you are pregnant, don't go to a small setup for delivery. You have to go to a setup, higher setup, which is all the deliveries, क्योंकि bleeding problem हो सकती है, blood bank होना चाहिए. जैसे मैंने कहा प्री टर्म डिलीवरी हो सकती है, तो हमें एक अच्छा नीकू चाहिए जो कि हमारे बच्चे को नीकू में हम ट्रांसफर कर सकें, so that nothing happens to the child. And if there is a big setup with ICU, it is very important कि अगर मदर की कंडीशन खराब होती है, डिटोरेट होती है, तो she can be immediately shifted to the ICU. So if you are COVID positive, go to a tertiary hospital for delivery. Don't go to a smaller hospital for delivery.
Right, right. So, agar just in case if you catch coronavirus and you are pregnant, make sure you are at the best facility of your city. Do not compromise at all for your life and for your child's life. So, ma'am, this was the case कि the mother pregnant थी और baby deliver हुआ and she was COVID positive. Now, in the another scenario where a mother has delivered a baby, now she's either COVID positive या सर्दी खांसी है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, like the reports are yet to come. So in that case, what should we do? Do a mother should breastfeed a child? It should not happen. क्या करना चाहिए?
According to World Health Organization guidelines, breastfeeding is not contraindicated in COVID positive. So even if you are COVID positive और आपको डर लगता है कि आप अपने बच्चे को इन्फेक्शन ना दे दो, but at the same time you want to give breastfeed to the child, in that case I suggest कि express out the milk from the breast. Give that milk to your caretaker or attendant who is not COVID positive, and let that caretaker give the feed to the baby. That feed which you have collected from your breast. Suppose you are COVID negative और तब आपको breastfeed करनी है. In that case also, then you immediately latch the baby on the breast. But again, take all the precautions ki sanitize your hands, wear a mask, before handling the baby, just properly clean your hand. And once you have nursed the baby, put the baby back. So in both the scenario, whether you are COVID positive or COVID negative, you have to take all the precautions. बट कोविड पॉजिटिव डजंट मीन कि आप अपने बच्चे को ब्रेस्ट फीड नहीं दोगे, आप अपना फीड दोगे, बट उसको एक्सप्रेस आउट करके यू गिव इट टू द स्टाफ नर्स और योर अटेंडेंट हु इज लुकिंग आफ्टर एंड लेट हिम गिव द feed to the child. Breastfeed is not contraindicated. You should give feed to the child.
Right, right. And as you all doctors say that breastfeed जो है वो बच्चे की डेवलपमेंट के लिए बेस्ट होता है. Right, right. So, ma'am, जैसे if we are talking about this, तो वो breastfeed milk जो if somebody is expressing it out, so what is the duration in which the baby should have it? Is there a particular time which
every 2 hours?
Every 2 hours.
When the baby demands. Normally 3 घंटे में बच्चा डिमांड करता है. Otherwise, every 2 hours try to give feed to the baby. Express out your milk alternately from each breast and give it to the baby.
All right, all right. So, मैम ये बात हुई वो लोग उन लोगों की जो प्रेग्नेंट हैं और जिन्होंने अभी अभी बेबी डिलीवर किया है. If somebody is planning for a baby currently, if somebody is wants to conceive in during this duration, what do you suggest? Do you suggest रुक जाओ थोड़े टाइम? Do you suggest go for it? आपका क्या थॉट है?
पर्सनल ओपिनियन मानोगे तो मैं कहूंगी अभी 2-3 महीने रुक जाओ, because see, in all scenario you will be very apprehensive to go out, to get ultrasound done, to get blood test done. इतनी frequently डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जा पाओगे. So my personal opinion is कि 2-3 महीने रुक जाओ, eventually तो ये फेड होगा ही होगा. We were expecting कि इंडिया में सितंबर तक ये डाउन होगा. Let us see, सितंबर नहीं तो अक्टूबर नवंबर तक तो डाउन ट्रेंड आना शुरू हो ही जाएगा. So 2-3 months अगर मैं आपको कह रही हूँ आप वेट करो, तो that means you prepare your body for pregnancy. आप फॉलिक एसिड लेना शुरू कर दीजिए so that you are preparing yourself कि मेरे को 2-3 महीने बाद प्रेग्नेंट होना है. अगर आप फॉलिक एसिड लोगे, the chances of having complications in your pregnancy decreases considerably. तो फॉलिक एसिड लेने से बच्चे को कंजेनाइटल मालफॉर्मेशन के चांसेस भी कम होते हैं. सो दीज 2-3 months when you are preparing कि मेरे को प्रेग्नेंट होना है, prepare yourself that you start taking nutritious diet, you take supplements in the form of folic acid. If you are overweight or obese, try to reduce your weight. बिकॉज ओबेसिटी हैज इट्स ओन कॉम्प्लिकेशंस ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी. तो अगर आप 2-3 महीने में आपको वेट करने के लिए कह रही हूँ, तो 1 month 2 kg वेट लॉस आराम से हो जाता है. तो इन 3 months if you lose 6 kgs, your
Right.
pregnancy will become absolutely hassle free.
Right, right. So this is one very important thing. If you're planning for a baby currently, wait for some time. This coronavirus will fade away. So prepare your body for pregnancy. Start taking folic acid. If you want to lose weight, if you're overweight and want to lose weight, start doing
Thyroid है
that.
तो thyroid की
If
दवाई
you
लो,
have
so that your thyroid also comes in control.
okay. Right. So if thyroid is there, वो conceiving के chances कम कर देता है. तो you start taking medicines. If you are addicted to something like cigarettes and alcohol, आप वो भी छोड़ दो बिल्कुल, because that also
Exactly,
affect
Khushal.
pregnancy a
That was a
lot.
very good point you picked up. Good.
So because on the today's lifestyle, ma'am, there are a lot of people who consume alcohol, who
Yes.
take cigarettes, right? So they
बिल्कुल,
should stop
absolutely
doing this
stop.
if they
Otherwise,
are.
बच्चा is बुरी तरह से affected. If you are a chronic cigarette smoker, the chances of having abortions, the chances of having intrauterine growth retardation, chances of having preterm labor increases many folds if you are a smoker or an alcoholic.
So this is very amazing advice which ma'am has given. Prepare your body for pregnancy. Do not plan in this time if you want to take this advice. After all, it's your final choice. But prepare your body for pregnancy, and then you can plan once this
Exactly.
coronavirus fades away. So this was very important topic to discuss, ma'am. Thank you so much for covering this in such a short duration of time. I would just like to know if any last minute advice do you have, if you want to cover something or tell something here that जो बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा myth है और उसे burst करने की जरूरत है. If you want to cover something
एक
like
और
that.
मैसेज
at the
मैं
end.
ये दूंगी, ladies, learn to be relaxed, calm down. No need to get panic. We all are here to help you. Our country is doing very well. हम लोगों की inherent immunity बहुत अच्छी है. So there is no need to get panic. Anxiety level अपना कम करो, उससे नहीं तो blood pressure बढ़ेगा, sugar बढ़ेगा if you are pregnant. So just calm down, decrease your anxiety. I'm sure, think positive. I'm sure everything is turned out to be very well.
Thank you so much. This is such important thing. We have amazing immunity, guys. Take some relax, meditate, breathing exercises karo. Stress mat lo. Relax how much you can. And there are amazing doctors for us if something happens. Just believe in them. So it was great. After this particular session, we'll have this in our IG live section on Instagram. I'll tag ma'am there. It's gynecologist_specialist. Please go follow her. She do amazing posts on various topics which you should know about. And thank you so much for being here,
Honored
ma'am.
to be with you. Thanks a lot.